Welcome! Please take a moment to relax as we begin this gentle blackhead removal and deep pore cleansing treatment. This process is designed not only to improve the appearance of the skin, but also to promote calmness, balance, and overall skin health. We begin by cleansing the face with a mild, soothing cleanser. This step removes surface impurities such as dirt, excess oil, and environmental pollutants that accumulate throughout the day. The cleanser is massaged into the skin using slow, circular motions, helping to stimulate blood flow while keeping the skin relaxed and comfortable. Once the skin is clean, it feels fresh, soft, and ready for deeper care. Next, we gently warm the skin to open the pores. Warm steam is applied evenly across the face, allowing the pores to soften naturally. This step is essential for blackhead removal because it loosens the hardened oil and debris trapped inside the pores. As the steam works, the skin becomes more receptive, making the extraction process safer and more effective. You may feel a comforting warmth as your skin relaxes. Once the pores are open, we begin the blackhead extraction process. Using sanitized tools and precise technique, gentle pressure is applied around each clogged pore. There is no rushing and no force. Each movement is slow, controlled, and intentional. This careful approach prevents unnecessary irritation and protects the skin from damage. As each blackhead is removed, the pore is cleared of oxidized oil and dead skin cells. You may notice the skin looking smoother and cleaner immediately. Some blackheads are removed easily, while others require a little patience. If a pore resists, it is left alone to avoid stress to the skin. Healthy skincare is always more important than aggressive extraction. Throughout the process, the skin is continually monitored for redness or sensitivity. Maintaining skin comfort is a top priority. After extractions are complete, an antibacterial toner is applied to cleanse and purify the skin. This step helps eliminate bacteria, tighten the pores, and restore balance. The toner leaves a cooling, refreshing sensation that calms the skin instantly. Now we focus on soothing and hydration. A calming mask is applied evenly across the face. This mask is rich in skin-loving ingredients that help reduce redness, restore moisture, and support natural healing. As the mask rests on the skin, it works to replenish hydration levels and strengthen the skin barrier. This is a moment to relax and let the skin absorb everything it needs. After the mask is gently removed, a lightweight serum is applied. The serum penetrates deeply, delivering hydration and nourishment where the skin needs it most. Gentle tapping motions help the product absorb fully without pulling or stressing the skin. At this stage, the skin appears smoother, clearer, and more radiant. The treatment concludes with a protective moisturizer and sunscreen. Moisturizing seals in hydration and keeps the skin soft and balanced. Sun protection is essential after blackhead removal, as freshly treated skin is more sensitive to UV exposure. This final step ensures long-lasting results and protects the skin from environmental damage. Blackhead removal is most effective when combined with a consistent skincare routine. Gentle cleansing, regular exfoliation,